Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide search suggestions in private Windows Firefox. So how to hide search suggestions in private Windows Firefox? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, go straight to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the Search menu. Now here you are in the Search menu. Tap Show Search Suggestions in private Windows. This feature allows users to hide search suggestions when using a private window in Firefox, in order to maintain better privacy. So that's it, tutorial on how to hide search suggestions in private Windows Firefox. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.